In a forgotten garden at the edge of the world, 1,000 birds gather, restless and longing. They speak of a king they have never seen, a truth they do not yet understand. Then a single voice rises above the chaos, a hoopoe bird, bearing a message of mystery and transformation. What begins as a search for a distant ruler becomes a journey into the soul itself. Across valleys of fire, silence, love, and loss, only a few will discover the hidden meaning behind Simorgh, the king they have always sought. Based on one of the most powerful Sufi poems ever written, this is not just a story about birds. It's about all of us, about the courage to let go, the beauty of becoming, and the truth that the divine was never far, only hidden within. The Conference of the Birds, a journey of the soul. Long ago, in a Persian garden surrounded by snowy mountains, birds from every corner of the world gathered. Doves, parrots, owls, nightingales, and falcons, all chirping with a single question: who is our true king? Suddenly, a majestic hoopoe bird appeared. He spread his wings and said, "There is a king, Simorgh, beyond Mount Kaf. To find him, you must journey not with wings, but with the heart." Many birds hesitated. The nightingale mourned her rose. The parrot clung to dreams of immortality. The peacock feared another fall. The hoopoe listened and gently replied, "These fears are chains. To find truth, you must let go." And so a brave few soared into the unknown. Through valleys of fire, love, and silence, they were tested. In the valley of love, reason burned away. In the valley of detachment, they released all that once defined them. In the valley of unity, they became one breath, one soul. Finally, only 30 birds remained. At last, they reached Simorgh's palace and found only a mirror. In it, their own reflections. Si means 30. Morgh means birds. Simorgh was not another, it was their transformed, united self. The beloved had never been far, the journey had always been within. This ancient Persian tale reminds us, the path to the divine is not out there in distant lands, but within the stillness of the heart. The Si-morgh is not a king we find. It is what we become when ego dissolves, when love unites, and when we remember. We were never separate to begin with. If this video touched your heart, subscribe. It's inspired by the timeless wisdom in the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Attar. Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.